He abandoned children. Mama, wait. Don't say go see that useless man. Wait now. Tell me the record down. Please wait. Record everything now. Thank you. Don't say go see that useless man. He abandoned 5 children. Abandoned woman. Can't run follow one German woman with where this he can't push on that. No, he can't push on that Toto. You understand now? He can't push on that Toto. That is what they will use. Now Toto man he be. This is what they'll be telling me. Then to the woman where be say you can't see me with, don't say na snatcher. Now woman husband snatcher. Now it be. Because why? You not speak out. So I'm speaking out now. More than know where the problem be. Do you understand? So that's what it be. Because you know say when people get good reputation, now how some people take, 5 children. It's difficult, it's pathetic. You just carry 5 children, they go. How will you be able to take care of 5 children? And let me say they get access to them, say they send you something, some support. What is wrong there? She said no. So now I pray with that one. So you know concern me. So I'm only reporting to single mothers where we say they're good. Where we say they use bad and they look me. And the bad one where we say they don't say they will remain feminists. I'm only reporting your member to you. So when I know say one of my member, see what he do me. But what thing I do her, I know what thing I do her yet because we're not compatible. I don't want to go into details. We're not compatible. And the violence is that if we get issues, she likes to hit me first. And me, I know who fit. If you hit me, I will slap you. You can't feel me. If you hit me, I will guarantee you. If you be gamma, you do what you do me as you pepper me, I will drop you. I will tell you the truth. If you be woman, you slap me, I will slap you. If you be gamma, you do me bad thing, you are gone. You know understand? You can't feel me. So if you defend trouble. I want to forgive person. You forgive woman. If you fuck up now, say I will forgive you. You dey fuck up. No, you lose guard. You're on guard steady. I'm telling you the truth. It real day. So I say in that woman, I mean, while my men say be day Europe, no Wahala, everywhere good. We thank God for life. But I want to forgive. You forgive woman. So I say today. So Mommy Tiri John say our program now allow men they talk to their children. Now she talks. So when I saw it, I felt interested. I said, okay, no problem. I support this kind of person because now waiting they do me, now she talk about so that was why I supported her. So for those of you say they feel offensive, they mention mostly single mother because their grievance is this. You they talk about single mothers alone. You don't talk about the single men or the bad one. Now her program be that one. Now her own specialty be that one. Now what she specialize on. So you know feel force her. You can also open. I get a lot of videos on my phone. This says so women will say all Benin men are bad, all men are bad, all these things are there. You understand? And if you check finally, sorry, I said 1 minute. If you check finally, most women nowadays now they are not speaking for men. They are not speaking for men. Say, women are this, women are that, and not even the men. So in conclusion, please, I'm not against single mothers. I don't disrespect them. They are golden agents. They are golden agents. I call them gold. If you are my platform all the time, I always call women gold. Women are precious and they deserve to be respected. Exactly. I can never disrespect any woman. My mother gave me the best life I have today. Do you understand? My mother gave me the best life I have today, the best school in Edo State now I go. My mom, now it done for me. Do you understand? So my mom never denied me access to my father. Do you understand that? So cooperating is the best thing, but denying your son or daughters access to their father is evil and diabolic.
It's wrong.
Thank you.
Oh,
I'm done.
Thank you so much. Baby, are you there?
Baby
is the next. Baby, are you there? Baby, are you there?
Esther, how much
Okay, let's hear from you. Let's hear from you.
Your first husband. Okay,
I dey hear you. Oh yeah, say something. Baby.
Boss, so okay, I did hear you. Waiting my boss just finished talk now, but I learned something very well from waiting in the talk. And waiting I go really talk, say the fact where him make move to the same kids, but me I go tell her, I respect him for that fact, for that moves.
Yeah.
I respect him well. Why I talk so to say me as I did so I come from family where we say after my parents got separated. Hello.
Continue.
After my parents got separated, I no get papa, but like my dad, my dad
Esther
no really
Mudia.
how they talk.
You keep a story, man. You go okay, you have weta. You go okay, you have weta. You go do
Only say baby, continue.
Me send you a problem of bourgeois. Who work better mo gbe we This Esther a younger sister. A partner Esther younger
Ma se to oni bana, ma se to oni
I'm
bana.
gonna pay you a wabu. By time I true.
Epani se na otweno 20 bebe no. Every ya wa mo yi na.
Why tell him I wanna get meta.
Epani se na.
I won't get meta.
Oni o kama we sorry, o kama we pa we
Yeah,
sorry.
Mokete me ya go do your first of one year.
Epani
Who can we no gwena.
Epa otwenekere no na emojeto wa happy me otwenekere no na
Ah, Bobera Bijwa. I'll go yak be your first one.
This is not nice. Only said. Host to the meeting.
I'll go yak bewa.
Only said. Wow.
It's just too much. I beg. I don't. I will not hear me.
I dey hear you.
So
I dey hear you.
But no joke yak be your first husband you walk him when numuna. Now Bobera
Mon baba Lahore. Only say mo Lahore. Esther Lahore. Only
so
say
when my parents got separated,
Continue.
Akpe me background. What you go you are one. Akpe me background divine. Hey, Esther J. Lahore me nije. Only say Lahore.
If you see her, because it go women.
Illiterate, retired as a wo. Now Bobera Bijwa. Who anyway.
I have a time in the Yona. Hey, Saluba. Most host, one more you are. Host.
Esther, one more of married time.
Amen.
I have a time in the
Imama
problem. Make I talk make I transfer and give the next person. Okay, let me talk. If not so. Those single mothers will be say they did very responsible. We did very responsible. We be say that some useless men. Now I turn on to single mothers. I go say God go bless you now. God go bless you now. Because with the one where I get from my phone here, if I see that man wait turn this woman to single mother, I will swear for a full generation. Because she said I'm not playing. I for playing. So I have to respect her privacy. I know say she will watch me now because she follow me most times. Okay? So she said she don't want her, not bring her come out. And more others. Okay, now. I don't think call DJ Kebab X now. Say the one I see evil single mother. When we know the story. We know the story. We saw everything that happened to that girl. We saw everything. How useless is that as that boy? So I don't visit that girl when I come and say you be evil single mother. Now Now single mother money they your eye. I can't do that. I can't do that. It doesn't make sense. It's absurd. It's crazy. You don't understand? So I love it. They bash for single mothers. I get single mother from my family too. I have them too, so I can't bash them. I don't know what it tomorrow will be. I don't. Oh God. Honorable, calm down. Honorable, calm. Now, man, you be now. You're not a darling man. Calm down. You don't be able to hear my talk. You just say that they bash me since now. There are ways you react. You calm down. You will not see I leave woman. Woman must talk. They must annoy you. You don't understand? You calm down. Calm down, sir, please. So, like I was saying, if you don't get a spirit of tolerance, you don't handle woman before you go by person. You don't understand? So, see again, I go on. Let them comment. Like at the end, you get comment section. I know they watch her. SSAB. I know they talk. I know they look comment section. If you like, insult me. You not concern me. Ogon rag well. Ogon rag bon now. Ogon never kill me. I'm still looking fresh and cool. You know, go my profile. Ogon never kill me. Finish for that. So go this swap for that. So like I was saying, we have responsible.
If I when they I'm when you 9, 10, number 10, you know, I change here no.
What's it?
Oh, number 10, I'll take a J. You have more than 9. Mama not change it.
I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea.
Oh, please. You will say moderator. Why change it? Number 10, take a J. Now, why am I 9? Even the YCI, but you know radio, so that
okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me do one. Let me come and do one. I don't know.
More 10.
Let me do one back to. But now 10 a day now. Now the last day. The last time day.
No, not be 10. Not be 10.
Now 9 day. Now the last day.
Remember one. No,
if one person come up, it go change.
No, I don't do one. I don't do one. Now 10 panel now.
No worry, make a round up, okay? The 10 panel.
Okay.
I don't know one. It's not there since. I'm not touching. I didn't do that. I don't know. I think now one moderator do one. So you know what we say, please, the responsible mothers will be responsible. Wanna continue na good works. God will bless you now. So if anybody they insult evil single mother, not add yourself journal. Because when you say all Benin men are bad, all Benin men are useless, they look at you laugh. Because why? I be salt, I be Maggie. If you insult Benin men finish, you'll see committers. Because why? We don't need that VAT. They say they beg us to make us marry them. So now those if you say that they demarket them, that they feel say it they pain them. Because I mean, insult me for today till tomorrow. I feel even bring Bola come out now. Very dark mass, you see bring Bola come out reach. Women see the dragon. Why? Because now market will be say you don't fit the market. Now money be. So understand say women they feel pain for that angle. So mommy 3D, they say you they talk say all women. In case you are speaking, please use some. I think that will be more better. Then if she is referring to some single mothers, those who be say no concern, I'm not remove herself from inside. If any problem is she. And she's not only the one condemning this single mother stuff on social media. What they do in worry. You know understand? So that's all I have to say. Good Mother's Day, bad Mother's Day, good Father's Day, bad Father's Day. And for those bad fathers, it not go better for now. What will say? Thank you.
Una well done. Everybody don't talk since everybody try. But wahala, this topic say our sister they talk about single mothers. To me, it not get anything we be say it take from my body or from people we be say I know body. But una dey hear me? Okay. But make we use brain because I first talk her before I say maybe she gets her reasons we be say she dey do am. The only place where be say make me even talk now because of the pikin way she talk inside. Finish. No other thing. And secondly, we dey talk since Tamuwa where we were just making noise. We are making noise. Okay, we want fight about the single mother or we they try to bring things to order. More for educate other ones. Like one woman first, I say baby born baby single mothers, not many. And which is true. Because this matter, and don't like if you get pikin now from 0 to 5 years, they get their own character. When they don't reach 6, 7, 8 to 9, they get different character. From there up, at the more that they grow now, so that they get sense every day. But the one of us make gaga like people, I don't know as I talk, like we not get control. The single mother say, what would they fight for? What would they talk for? Now they go, they laugh for us, or say, now, you know, just I beg, if we want to talk about topic or talk about single mothers or whatever topic, more they use brain, more they talk accordingly. So that people when they listen to us, they'll see okay to say but they not come here now. So for you they do chat. That I love you, we can't get headache. No, nah, I beg, most they more we ourselves more coordinate ourselves too. Another things too, because insult, why we not fit talk without we not insult each other. Without we not so go on board. We say go waiting now. Our children they watch you, they watch us. We feel say they're not they TikTok, they watch us. If my own children not they talk to my own children, they tell us say, Mama, why is it that African people insult? What is it now? More use our head. We don't mature, Rich, I beg. At times, people, some single mothers, they even don't say that they misbehave. They are not happy about it. Many people, they go inside, go, they cry for nights. But if we talk to them, we make them to understand. Some of them are ready to learn too. And most of them, depression, they made them, they misbehave too. Depression, they make them, they misbehave too. But if we not make them understand, say, this is what they do, not be so, not so, not so, not so, they will not learn. And about this is what they talk. So if we look at that, none of them don't reach 20 people when they talk about this, but none of them don't reach 20, 30 years for marriage. Oh. We don't, for this media, we don't see 20 years marriage don't destroy. We don't see 20-something years marriage destroyed too. So I beg, if we want to educate people, maybe we fair educate ourselves first. Because the OT, since we just talk about our legacy, even I run about on the ring road, we know nothing at all. Nothing. If I don't say me not even learn anything, yeah, not learn. The only time where say I feel listening to West now when they talk the whole story finish. In fact, the good way me don't hear, his headache they worry me now. Because for my life, I never heard that all those kind salt before. Because I don't sabi salt. That be my problem. I don't sabi all those but I don't sabi do. I beg, no, here. Just they do like say we don't get shepherd. Allow we go. More at least if we want to talk about the topic, more we educate them accordingly, tell them. If not don't be saying we see say their children not they not they train them, we will help them. I help you, we talk to them, make them to know this, that. So yeah, it's true. Some people they'll be say their children, we told you for 3 months. If you see those kind of things, single mother, use that make topic, make you understand. Say not be so. If not dress it, they don't sabi dress. Use that make topic, make them understand. From there, they learn because every day they learn. Everybody they learn from each other. Some things they be say I'll see here and I go pick. So they'll be say I'll still say I look and say rubbish in ata. All of us we don't call carry headache, carry insult, so that people have to pray and cover yourselves with the blood of Jesus because the Ogun and Isango is extraordinary. Now thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Una do. My people.
A moderator who are mute TV. I mute. Why mute now?
Oh no, you muti won ba gbera gbiyu.
The
thing be say, me de gbe lawan. On the last time, me, my gba me.
Now,
so another thing be say, listen, you don't do my sister. Me and you know the quarrel. Prestige, you say you take talk yesterday. Who they talk? No, as they come out for there. A booba women, a time you ran out for you based on. So, you take talk yesterday. You're good though. You say we didn't learn for social media. Social media not learn. Any man and woman will say cause social media you want learn or Google punish her. I learned with social media saga woman. Because when this saga never starts since. When we come, we just they talk, some people the way they think they do it are good, they preach good. Now only 28 people there saga this way. On like 500, 600. A babu. Hey, saga with social media. I not don't have verse with social media. Go and verse yourself inside. Social media and nonsense, life on the side. Hey, nonsense, social media. You want to come and collect a verse in social media, my mommy have verse, you see. Or go and buy verse in social media. Hey, saga, You saga me a saga you agwa erewa ba your boo. No ma jegbese, no ma wegbe you no give me boy. No ma here swear of your do. No ma here swear of your do. Agwasi mate. Oh my brother, my sister, I love you. You did do well. God bless you. 29 people are busy, 16 people are
If you not go make heaven, you not go make heaven. You not go make heaven.
See, me una when they talk, I don't even understand if you. Saga, one woman, I want that way. I love you. Me, I want that for the body. I love you. Then go back where we now. Boo, where was so good. Me, my talking man. You are bola, be last check up. So I have that with social media. If they tell you say go to social media and collect that verse, who's what? Because you just come there and wash your dirty lineage outside. People will mock you. You see people will go support you today say, oh, I feel a story. It's so painful. Me on a quarrel tomorrow against that guy. No, I can't hear any boy. Who was social media na gwale. Ana gwale avasi. Saga with social media. Saga. Gaga. Wa mi obo we saga me imagine na me mo boy but anything ya be was zage ya. Me zage ya wa ni ya. Me gabi e. Me hione. Me adore you with the need Devi and when I never have any awasi. Me gabi e me do sa ni ya bi. Understand? So the truth has to be said more. Joke and part. When you give me, ya tell me you get you way. As on our get photo. But when there's for I don't care. You understand what I'm saying? We saga na wa be meji. Me wa love saga. Yeah, but in love area. Saga no ga. Saga be area. We are wa fear government na. Oh, guje! Kago ya wa move. Before you know it, 1K wa move ya ke weba. I want to make that platform of okay, because I know my boss it was sagging was one way go. If I was very with you, swear at book. Oh, no, I don't understand. You understand? So, what would they talk since now the both side? They for men's side, they for women's side. You understand? Many of us, me safe. We women will not perfect, men not still perfect. So why do I have here talk to single mother? If they talk to single mother, you know they for the category. Where you go, where you mother we ask you do. I was so kuta ekota. I was salo wherever. My me saga, a saga. Why saga? Why be a saga? Isaac book where la da for one la anyway. I like care really the way I don't like way. I don't cost children. A saga as when I ya bobo I baby up. I walk belly yakubu wa hareya. Master. Ekboko. Ni meke we saga na ke boy bog baby be rock baba hu ekboko. Ya wa bi en hu baby eme. I walk belly beke I walk big boy. Master. So my people, peace. At the end, if I only born say Esther no vision me only say Wahala, I agree, but we are going to do saga. Why
What do you tell me? What do you tell me, Nia? Okay, this lady. Okay, good. Let this lady talk. Hello, madam.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good
Good evening.
Good evening. I just want to contribute a little about this single mother aspect of it. What I want to talk be say as a day for man, now so a day for woman, and for the fact that it's something that I have experienced. Why I said I've experienced it is that somebody very close to me, he go through this particular scenario, and for the fact can be say the pikin when they involved, now can be problem. He no can get proper life because of how his mama take deny him from his father. You not get the ability, like the facility to take care of this pikin. Fine, the father don't make mistake, but because of the father mistake, you no go come say you no go come let the pikin not the see papa. I don't know whether everybody understand what I dey talk. It can't make the pikin now, he not go school. The pikin can't they live one kind junky life. Based on say the mama not get that. I don't know if I want to talk about that. You know, say some mothers, they're not they harsh, they know they feed they discipline children. Now the pikin just grow, it just day. And now the father won't come back to the pikin. Based on say the mother not let the son they go closer to the father. Now the father is now trying to come back again. Wetin the boy come dey talk now be say, daddy, where you dey since wey be say you no even SARS my life come be. Now the papa just dey disappointed. Even the way the man life even be now sef, he no even dey the way he dey before, because looking at that boy, he now is now feeling, I don't know if I want to talk, he no come dey happy again when I first pikin, a boy for that matter. So what I'm trying to say is that, fine, sometimes men they offend women where we be say, for a woman to come to say man, a husband, where be say he claims say love, not go dey see pikin again. Meaning say a lot of things must have gone wrong in the past. But my plea now is that no matter how a man have offended you as a woman, and you guys are not together again, please, I am begging, try and allow the man to have access to the children. Please, because the ending part, it might be good, it might be bad, but I pray that it should not be a bad one for any of us or any single mother, because there is a role that man will play in the life of that child that you cannot play. Even if say now 2 minutes where that man go take talk to the pikin or take sit down with the pikin, e get wetin they do for that pikin life. You cannot be a man and a woman in the life of your children. Please, I know say they hurt, they painful, but please always allow the man. It not dey easy, not be the way they talk and say, make the man they get access to the pikin. You know how hurt they be. Sometimes if man even offend we be say we dey with man for house. Sometimes it go just be like say, make you not even follow the man, make you not even dey see the man again for life. Talk less of man go come treat you in this kind manner, so often are not there again. You understand? So please, anyhow it be, say can't dey like this, say una not dey together again, just try your best, make the man they get access to the children, because you don't get how you want to say not be the man born them again. So let the man have access to the children. The little one he can do for them, let him do for them. You understand? Now you and your husband get issue, no involve your children for inside. No involve your children, because those children go grow up later. Now is either they turn it bad against you, or rather they will go and meet their father. So it's better you play peace with them, let them communicate with their father. Please, that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You need to finish your time, right?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. No, that's just all I have to say. My plea is that I know sometimes men, wetin una dey do women, they good though, but I beg women, I am pleading, make una allow these men they see their children. E get wetin man they do for children life, a lot. Even no man is useless. Like I always say, every man has a responsibility he plays in the life of his children. A responsible man, not useless men, they get role when they play for children life. Please allow the men to have access to their children. I beg you in the name of God. I beg. Thank you.
Thank you so much, my beautiful sister. Thank you. Okay. Lady. Hello, lady. Hello, lady.
Don't call am out, man.
Paula,
You understand me? I dey talk my story here. I dey talk my experience. I not call in name. I not call in generation name. I not talk to her. Wetin come bring that nonsense talk? Where go tell me say me? No, where go tell me say me? Wetin me dey talk? Say na lie. Anya me down or kifu abunu. I'm not even a platform where 7 days ya agba. 7 days and nobody go fit beg me. Now then you know it be saga. Now inside saga now a day as a viator just now. Now me day we are for born and brought up. Okay, we dey even dey pray. Make problem happen. We dey pray make problem come. So I go take that problem, take tire you. Do this Esther. Do a be say do this blow. Blom when not know herself. When retire that shower like you get mad, they tell me say me and I lie me they talk. Your former husband, what you happen to her? If you good, why you not remain there? What you happen to your first husband? May God polish down your mouth when you take talk here, say me they lie. Who they mute me now? Who they mute me?
Please comot this thing from time, please. Comot am for time. Remove this thing from time, please.
You understand me now? Because
Comot
I
am
dey
for
talk
time.
my story. I dey talk my story, not to concern you inside. Not
Comot
to
am for
concern
time.
you inside. And I was talking to
Epa
the bad
ihimiawe
single mother
iwoni
then.
se epa ihamawe woni
Bad
se
single mother,
at
now
least
they
veni
talk
ve
to bad
imiawe
single
ni
mother.
veni imiawe ni woni se epa oni ve se like
Idiema na
Bad
o
single
so me
mother.
gbe. Emi
Egungun.
nu ne
Ẹni
na
mago
de o
ẹ̀gbọ́n.
so me gbo magu me gun e ma na.
epa
Ma
ge
gba
ge
mi
let
a
us
Jacka
say
said to
ma.
honor let us say.
let us say la
Epa
ge
listen
no
We are telling
Oh,
me a
Wahala.
te
oni se
no
mo let us say your time wa mo let us say your time
we wa te bombe no wahala. Won
mo
wa te
let us
me
say
le
your
get
time
bu agbewe pa.
let us say
Wa
ureba
bera wa bijua. Era bijua wa gbe agbewu.
oh
Wa
We are
o wa
telling me
gbon.
enti me we di
Wa
ene
gbe
e
wo wo doluka o me, wo doluka o me bloblo.
ko si mo
Wa we
let us say mo let us say adiodu mo adie big one let us say go aye let us say my nota let us say
Okay. Na me dey talk.
no now let us say supposed to talk
I will.
wa
Okay.
mo let us
Una
say
put time
yeah
again. Una put time again.
wa mo let us say ye time
Who put time again? Are you? One more you are.
no not be me wa mo let us say ye time
Egbe matter who are now. I swear to God, adults just they behave like say.
I just dey shame mo let us say ye time let us say lady na let us say
Mona come on this time.
let us say
hello.
let us say let us say on mute
Wa botsa o. No de pa ekpene de na re mana. Pa ekpene de. I'm so sorry for what happened to you. Please, what take it easy. The Lord is your strength. So la wo me de roga single mother wolo na single mother ma wolo na. Mary winoni. La wo have prove na ya fe no me. La wo make sure you keep it safe. Because the reason why women like this, when time goes on, they will like to turn the keys bad against you so that you will have your proof to defend yourself. We know. Emi masunu very anagebe no yasunu. Because emi no good we now a proof of good way. The attempt no make to reach out to your children, to date the life of your children, and the woman refuse, you have to keep it safe. Mema like it big wo no very ana ubi no bia wabo bia do agui. At the end of the day, the mwezoni to a money egbe is bad. It's very, very bad. Do the way I would egbe me. Would egbe me of you where? Would egbe one na? It see some of boy. So I am you do. So that will my brother keep a proof you way. Because Emo must to know that. If you ever ask no what an every man every life for him. No do bene, no do your money turn against you where do you rage? Era dan, salobala ne guega era dan. E monga is a canoe where do you prove well at the end? We gave me no sooner with it. Do damn Asian. So at the end of the day, you suffer kokomo, you hear the money lena. It's like that. Because if your baby papa no dey against you, at the end of the day, because so na quarrel, you can't want say no, you want to take care of the children. Oh, now you go take care of the children. You know, agree make when they see the children. Where that man get proof, where those children grow, they go ask question. From 11 years, they start to they ask question. From 12 years, they ask question. From 13, they ask question. But let's say you the time they say, I never show you want to tell them, their brain never strong, rich. But when their brain was strong, rich, you must tell them what happen between you with their papa. So as a parent, if you get the proof of what happened between you with their papa, you go bring a comment, you go show them. They go still like you go still give them that opportunity to say, okay, you don't they matured enough. Go ask your father what really still happen. I believe say that man go still get proof. Because most of women go want on those kids, say that their papa be the bad person. So my brother, they keep your proof very, very well. What keep say? Make sure we prove it when they get we. They laptop, you know, they 100 to ya. Keep it because me man like oh no very ana. It man like a real genic beer. Now me away only have which is very, very bad. If you with woman get quarrel, you don't need to abandon picking. Give that woman. I'm gonna know they come social media say una baby papa abandon picking give una. You carry the matter go their family house. If they don't feel set one for family house, gather those proof where you take carry the matter, go their family house. You betray, you make an attempt, you not block her. If you still call her, you not pick. Screenshot as you take call her, you not pick. Ya mule, ya kipe, gera fa. Omoni ga one. My era or you got away 2 years ago. E the receipt in Akina. On Matthew was a 1 year. Get the proof. Get tell me no way your colleague even know here. Bringing it to social media no go help. So that's why more they keep proof now. So now that one be come up for. Iya gbesi go mo da o. Iya ma gbesi go mo da o. Oni ma come. Make una allow una baby papa dey see una pikin for na so una no wan still gree. Those children go turn against una tomorrow. If you say you not go green, those children go turn against you. Whether or come listen to their papa say their papa betray, make it be dead their life. Now you their mother and I refuse. And when I no winner, and so ya fair maybe ya winner, ya bao rian, e ya dio, e money here the way rian say we. They will hate you for life. It's just the truth. So if I they keep it prove you way. It will continue to basic go more that way here where of a mouth woman have why. Bye bye. Take care, bros. It worry.